Hi guys! This morning I was told in no uncertain terms I had to clear the freezer out because, well, it was getting a little bit full of, let's see what we got. Grapes. No idea what some of these are in. This is a few years harvest. Oh, black currants. Red currants. Very solid block. More black currants. More red currants. Look at those. What have we got here? Blackberries. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, I've got a feeling that's most likely more black currants. Oh my goodness. I think that might be more red currants. Gooseberries. Yeah, it keeps going. What's I got in this one? Oh, more blackberries. Lovely. Well, according to this is blackberries as well. That's elastic bands had it. That's definitely more blackberries. And a little more black currants. Right, so I take it then. Grape and gooseberry wine, red currant wine, black currant wine, blackberry and pear crumble wine? I've got a day of it. Happy brewing.